Today, we will continue to decode the markets by using our smart money strategies and price action concepts. We will do a top-down analysis and learn how to identify specific entry locations. Furthermore, we will focus on how to take trades into a certain direction. If you're okay, let's do this. You woke up today and markets are crushed again. All thanks to President Donald Trump and his uncertain politics and policies. In this uncertain environment, trading can be kind of confusing, but we will keep doing what we do best: follow the trend and trade the strong or weak assets. This lovely coin was in the top losers list this morning and it was suitable to trade. The moment I saw this multi-imbalance area, I knew that this could be a great location to look for short trades. But again, we shall not blindly short it. Yes, it is a usable strategy, but since the Trump in the White House, blind trades are not good at all. We must try to combine high and low time frames as much as possible. Let's go down in the lower time frames and talk more about these yellow circle locations. So in this 2-minute chart, you can see that this yellow circle point is representing our multi-time frame imbalance location. Basically, our main overall area to look for trades. Also, if you look at the overall trend, you can easily see that we are in a very strong downtrend. Price is just keep pushing downwards. So no need to fight the ocean and waves here. Instead, we will flow with the market. Let's zoom in the trade area and talk more now. Let's have a brainstorm here. First, where can the price move? Notice these lovely equal lows right below that waiting for us. This is our initial target. What else do we have here? Very nice support and resistance flip right at our multi-level imbalance area. Furthermore, if you use your Fibonacci tool to this strong break, there are things like optimal trade entry location with the inner 2-minute imbalance. All great for now. We found a very nice location for entry. What happens next? You can see this inner structure break, which price breaks and instantly pullbacks to this inner 2-minute imbalance. This was a nice entry location for a 2-hour setup here. But you can call this is a very fast action. Now your second option is waiting for the next break of structure and inner pullback. Like this one here. This will give you another set of small trade. Not an amazing trade, but better than nothing. Now, if you just zoom out, this is also a very special location of PDL and Monday low. Basically, masterclass amplifier locations, as you can see, which makes the trade area more trustable in my opinion. Not bad at all. Okay, folks, this is it for the weekend. Take care, please, and see you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you